My name is Shreya Soni. I am a student of St. Mary's Convent Senior Secondary School. I am going to read present simple tense sentences. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Bird sings in the morning. Cat dislike water. I love chocolate ice cream. He reads the newspaper daily. They play football every weekend. It snows in winter. People speak English in the USA. She writes poetry in her free time. We watch movies on Friday nights. Dogs bark at strangers. The earth revolves around the sun. Flowers bloom in spring. You need food and water to survive. The clock ticks every second. Students study hard for exams. The bakery opens at 8 a.m. Nurses take care of patients. Children love to play. The moon shines at night. Farmers grow crops. I prefer tea over coffee. Cars use fuel to run. We live in a globalized world. She cooks delicious meals. Lions roar in the jungle. People celebrate festivals with joy. We exercise every day. Rain falls from the sky. The teacher explains the lesson. Tree provide oxygen. I listen to music when I work. They travel during summer vacation. She collects vintage stamps. The bus stops at every station. Babies cry when they are hungry. Fish swim in the water. The wind blows from the west. He drinks coffee every morning. We visit our grandparents monthly. Deserts receive minimum rainfall. They respect their elders. The sun sets in the west. She speaks fluent Spanish. Bells ring to signify time. Parents care for their children. The library closes at 7 p.m. Snakes slither on the ground. People need sleep to function. I purchase groceries weekly. Candles when lit. They attend the meeting regularly. The heart beats continuously. Owls hunt at night. She appreciates art. Eagles fly at high altitude. Machines operate on power. You look happy today. Ice melts in the heat. He completes his task promptly. Bakers bake fresh bread. The universe expands constantly. Students submit assignments on time. I dream vividly. Fruits ripen over time. The door opens with a key. Fire burns wood. He practices the violin daily. Stars twinkle in the night sky. Children learn quickly. She smiles often. Elephants have long trunks. People breathe in oxygen. I adore nature. Shoes protect our feet. He values friendship. They climb mountains for adventure. Waves crash on the shore. Leaves fall in autumn. She dances gracefully. Whales live in the ocean. Birds migrate seasonally. The company produces electronics. I remember good times. Chocolate melts in the heat. He trusts his instincts. Planets orbit stars. She believes in magic. Clocks measure time. We hope for better days. He jogs every evening. Rivers flow towards the sea. She adores her pet. Volcano erupt magma. You, you shine in your field. The discs hold your belongings. Bees make honey. He respects diversity. Trees shed their leaves in fall. You create your dynasty. He loves to play for basketball. He goes to school. Does he go to school? She writes an email to her best friend. He thinks he is very handsome. It usually rains every day here. It smells very delicious in the kitchen. We generally sing songs all together. We go to a gallery every Sunday. Does he write an email? The sun rises in the east. She goes to work by car. It doesn't rain here in the summer. We cook every day. We go to the gym club together. You have a big house. Do we know each other? They sleep in the afternoon. When do they usually talk to each other? The children are at home. The earth goes around the sun. George brushes his teeth twice a day. He gets up early every day. They speak English in the USA. I like reading detective stories. I like geography and science. She doesn't study German on Monday. Does does she live in Paris? He doesn't teach math. Cats hate water. Every child likes an ice cream. My mother never lies. The earth is spherical. She doesn't use a computer. It snows a lot in winter in Russia. We live in Texas. You go on an holiday every summer. Do you like spaghetti? My daughter does the laundry. My brother takes out the trash. The course starts next Sunday. She swims every morning. I don't wash the dishes. We see them every week. I don't like tea. When does the train usually start? She always forgets her purse. You don't have children. My sister and I do not see each other anymore. They don't go to school tomorrow. She wants to be a dentist. Cows eat grass. My cat runs very fast. She has a belly full of bees. My son lives in London. They don't have many money. She plays basketball. He matches the train every morning. My sister works at the theater. Michael doesn't work. How often do you see George? She doesn't see Peter every day. My boyfriend loves his song. My father doesn't speak good English. He goes to football every day. California is not in the United Kingdom. The Queen of England lives in Buckingham Palace. Julie talks very fast. My brother's dog barks a lot. Does he play tennis? The train leaves every morning at 18 a.m. Water freezes at 0 degrees Celsius. I love my new pets. We drink coffee every morning. My dad never works on the weekends. She doesn't teach chemistry. I do love my new pets. Mary brushes her teeth twice a day. He drives to work. Mary enjoys cooking. She likes bananas. You don't listen to me. I run for 4 meals every morning. They speak English at work. The train does not leave at 12 a.m. I have no money at the moment. Do they talk a lot? Tomorrow early in the morning, first I go to morning walk. Does she drink coffee? You run to the party. You have some school work to do. Do you eat ice cream? The train leaves in 10 minutes. Do pigs like milk? California is in America. Penguins live in Antarctica. Nurses work in clinics and hospitals. Alex works for 7 hours every day. I do not like meat. They go to a gallery every Saturday. सीता एक मधुर गीत गाती है. सीता sings a sweet song. प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेज पर भाषण देते हैं. प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी gives a speech on the stage. में मरीजों का इलाज करते हैं. They tender treatments to patients. सिपाही चोर को पकड़ता है. The constable catches the thief. आसमान में सितारे चमकते हैं. Stars shine in the sky. कुछ लड़के नदी में स्नान करते हैं. Some boys bath in the river. एक लड़की टोकरियां बेचती है. A girl sells the baskets. मैं रोजाना अपनी छत पर पतंग उड़ाता हूँ. I fly kites on my roof daily. वे खेत जोते हैं. They plug the field. लड़कियां अपना गृह कार्य अच्छी प्रकार करती है. The girls do their homework well. हम रोजाना रात को फिल्म देखते हैं. We watch movies daily at night. कुत्ते अजनबियों पर भौंकते हैं. Dogs bark at strangers. मोहन का भाई झूठ बोलता है. Mohan's brother tells a lie. तुम अपने पिता की आज्ञा मानते हो? You obey your father. मुझे कभी कभार स्कूल के लिए देर हो जाती है. I seldom get late for school. वह अपने बच्चों को मारती है. She beats her child. हम शनिवार को सिनेमा हॉल में फिल्म देखने जाते हैं. We go to watch a movie to cinema hall on Saturday. वे शाम को मैदान में हॉकी खेलते हैं. They play hockey in the ground in the evening. वह बेईमानों से घृणा करता है. He hates dishonest people. राम सदा सत्य बोलता है. Ram always speaks the truth. मेरी माँ मुझसे बहुत प्यार करती है. My mother loves me very much. मैं सुबह ताश खेलता हूँ. I play cards in the morning. हम नदी में नहाते हैं. We bath in the river. मैं अपना पाठ याद करता हूँ. I learn my lesson. मोहन घर जाता है. मोहन goes home. वे स्कूल जाते हैं. They go to the school. मैं एक पुस्तक पढ़ता हूँ. I read a book. वह सड़क पर दौड़ता है. He runs on the road. तुम एक पत्र लिखते हो. You write a letter. हम हॉकी खेलते हैं. We play hockey. मेरे दोस्त मुझे पत्र नहीं लिखते हैं. My friends do not write letters to me. राधा अपना पाठ याद नहीं करती है. राधा doesn't learn her lessons. मेरा भाई क्रिकेट कार्ड नहीं रखता है. My brother does not keep the credit card. चपरासी घंटी नहीं बजाता है. The peon doesn't ring the bell. वह हमारे घर कभी नहीं आता है. He never comes to our home. ये लड़के सड़क पर नहीं खेलते हैं. These boys do not play on the road. वह प्रतिदिन स्नान नहीं करता है. He doesn't bath every day. यह लड़का पतंग कभी नहीं उड़ाता है. This boy never flies a kite. प्रधानमंत्री जी स्टेज पर भाषण नहीं देते हैं. The Prime Minister doesn't deliver speeches on the stage. तुम स्कूल नहीं जाते हो. You don't go to school. तुम एक साइकिल नहीं खरीदते हो. You do not buy a cycle. वे हॉकी नहीं खेलते हैं. They do not play hockey. वह एक पत्र नहीं लिखता है. He does not write a letter. क्या गांव में ठंडी हवा चलती है? Does the cold wind blow in the village? क्या अब विद्यार्थी कक्षा में शोर नहीं मचाते हैं? Do the students not make a noise in the class now? तुमको कौन पढ़ाता है? Who teaches you? क्या तुम रोजाना दिल्ली जाते हो? Do you go to Delhi daily? क्या मुकेश मधुर गीत गाता है? Does Mukesh sing a song? क्या विद्यार्थी कक्षा में शोर मचाते हैं? Do the students make a noise in class? क्या पंछी आकाश में उड़ते हैं? Do the birds fly in the sky? क्या बादल हवा में तैरते हैं? Do the clouds swim in the air? क्या लड़के मैदान मैदान में क्रिकेट खेलते हैं? डू द बॉयज प्ले इन द फील्ड? क्या राहुल अपनी मम्मी से फोन पर बातचीत करता है? डज राहुल टॉक टू हिज मदर? क्या सुनार अंगूठी बनाता है? डज द गोल्ड स्लिम मेक रिंग्स? क्या क्या बढ़ाई एक सुंदर मेज बनाता है? डज द कारपेंटर मेक अ ब्यूटिफुल टेबल? तुम कहाँ रहते हो? वेयर डू यू लिव? तुमको कौन पढ़ाता है? हु टीचेस यू? तुम अपना गृह कार्य कैसे निपटाते हो? हाउ डू यू डू योर होमवर्क? तुम रात को कौन सी फिल्म देखते हो? विच फिल्म डू यू वॉच एट नाइट? ये लड़के स्कूल कब जाते हैं? When do these boys go to school? बंदर पेड़ पर क्यों चढ़ते हैं? Why do the monkeys climb on the tree? तुम क्या चाहते हो? What do you want? तुम सुबह सुबह किसको पढ़ाते हो? Whom do you teach in the morning? वह उसे इस तरह क्यों देखता है? Why does he sees him this way? यह लड़का वहाँ रोजाना क्या करता है? What does this boy do daily? तुम अपने दांत साफ क्यों नहीं करते हो? Why do you not clean your teeth? अब वे हमारे साथ क्यों नहीं बोलते हैं? Why do they not talk to us? तुम स्कूल क्यों नहीं जाते हो? Why do you not go to school? वह यहाँ क्यों आती है? Why does she come here? हम हॉकी क्यों नहीं खेलते हैं? Why do we not play hockey? फुटबॉल कौन नहीं खेलता है? Who does not play football? अब विद्यार्थी अपने गुरु का सम्मान क्यों नहीं करते हैं? Why do the students not respect their teachers? क्या क्या साम क्या आसमान में सितारे नहीं चमकते हैं? Do the stars not shine in the sky? क्या वह अंग्रेजी नहीं पढ़ता है? Does he not teach English? तुम किसको नहीं पढ़ाना चाहते हो? Whom do you not teach? तुमको कौन नहीं पढ़ाता है? Who does not teach you? वह अब यहाँ क्यों नहीं आता है? Why does he not come here? Regular routine. I go